Listen, that's what I want to ask you about making that claim in open court.
Yeah.
You know this is being televised. You're in this town, and you're making that kind of claim. Now, defense attorneys will say what they have to say, oftentimes with even the slightest amount of evidence. Here, they've got some pretty good evidence that there are some issues in this case. You got at least what looks like lying about whether there was a snowplow down that street that night at the time, early in the morning, which would have seen a body, which they claim wasn't there. You also have the same officer going back doing unauthorized and undocumented searches of the property, and you also have him withholding evidence from January 29th to March. And apparently there's some evidence on that clothing that kind of ties her to the crime. They're saying he had a part in maybe placing it there. There's a lot to work with. They called him in open court corrupt. I've never seen such a thing.
I've never seen it. I remember when I first became a public defender, my first day at work, a good 5, I was handed 20 cases, a good 6 or 7 of them said I was framed, and I ignored them, right? And I went to my superiors, hey, this guy's saying something. Everybody says they're framed, right? And I was trained as a young attorney, look, everybody says they were framed. We would just make jokes with the prosecutor, hey, well, cops planted, marijuana on my client. It was an open joke. It's a common thing, but defense attorneys never take that seriously. This is a great defense attorney, and he's taking it seriously. He's staking his reputation on it, his family's reputation. So I agree with you. There's a lot of inconsistencies. Let's see what happens.